Hello friends, I'm Nageswar and you're most welcome to NM classes. Today in this video, we'll learn some important world geography GK question for all competitive exams. So now let's start the video. Question number 1. What is the longest river in the world? Nile. Question number 2. What is the world largest river by water volume? Amazon. Total number of continents in the world is 7. First Asia, second Africa, third Europe, fourth Australia, fifth North America, sixth South America, seventh Antarctica. Question number 4. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Question number 5. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. Australia is a continent as well as a country. Question number 6. Total number of oceans in the world is 5. First Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean, fourth Arctic Ocean, fifth Southern Ocean. Question number 7. What the world largest continent? Answer is Antarctica. Question number 8. What the largest and deepest ocean of the world? Answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 9. The smallest ocean in the world is the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Which continent is known as dark continent? Africa. Which continent is called the white continent? Antarctica. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer is Japan. Which country is called the land of midnight sun? Norway. Which country is known as land of setting sun? The answer is Britain. What the alternative name of Japan? The answer is Nippon. Nippon is the alternative name of Japan. Question number 16. The largest island of the world is Greenland. Greenland is the largest island of the world. Question number 17. Greenland is an Greenland is an integral part of Denmark. Question number 18. Which country is the largest archipelago in the world? The answer is Indonesia. Question number 19. Which is the largest or biggest country in the world by area? The answer is Russia. Question number 20. Which is the largest or biggest country in the world by population? The answer is China. Question number 21. Independence Day of South Korea is 15 August. Question number 22. Which is the smallest country in the world? The answer is Vatican City. Question number 23. What is the capital of Vatican City? The answer is Vatican City. Question number 24. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest. 8,848 meter highest. In which country Mount Everest is situated? The answer is Nepal. Question number 26. The first man to climb Mount Everest. The answer is Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay on 29th May 1953 at 11:30 a.m. Question number 27. Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Junko Tabe. She is Japanese mountaineer and she reached Mount Everest on 16th May 1975, and Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman who reached top of the Mount Everest in 1984. Question number 28. Who is the first man to set foot on moon? The answer is Neil Armstrong on 20 July in 1969. Question number 29. Who is the first man to go to space? Yuri Gagarin, 12th April 1961 by Vostok 1. Who was the first woman in space? Valentina Tereshkova on 16 July 1963 by Vostok 6. Question number 31. Which country first sends human to moon? The answer is USA. Question number 32. Which is the first spaceship to carry human to moon? The answer is Apollo 11. Three American astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, go to moon on 20 July 1969. Question number 33. Which space shuttle is first launched? The answer is Columbia by NASA on 12 April 1981. Question number 34. Which country first launched the satellite into space? The answer is the Soviet Union on 4th October 1957. Question number 35. The largest railway station of the world is Grand Central Terminal in New York. Question number 36. Which is the longest railway platform in the world? Gorakhpur Railway Station, Uttar Pradesh in India, 1366.33 meter, 4483 feet. Question number 37. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? The Andes, 7,000 kilometer long. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara. Question number 39. Rain gauge is used for measuring rainfall. Question number 40. By which depth of ocean is measured? Fathometer. Which of the following is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa, 828 meter in Dubai. Which is the tallest statue of the world? Statue of Unity, Gujarat, India. Height 182 meter. 182 meter. Which is called as black diamond? Coil. Coil is known as black diamond. Which is known as black gold or liquid gold? Petroleum. What's the name of international boundary line between India and Pakistan? Radcliffe Line, drawn by Cyril Radcliffe in 1947. Durand is the international boundary line between India and Afghanistan. Sir Mortimer Durand had drawn this line in 1893 between India and Afghanistan. Name of international boundary line between India and China is McMahon Line, drawn by Sir Henry McMahon in 1914 during World War One. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and second largest planet in is Saturn. Question number 49. The smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury. Question number 50. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? The answer is Venus. This is part 1 and part 2 is next video. For part 2, please subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel for the next video. Thanks for watching.